Okay, it's like 6 in the morning, and today is the day that we have to say goodbye to our first side-by-side. Our Polaris RZR 1000 that we bought brand new in 2015. We replaced it with this guy. Today's the day we say goodbye to it. First things first, we gotta change the ball on the beef so that we can go pick up the flatbed and drag this thing. We're delivering it to Pismo for a guy. So we'll get some video of that on the way. So we had to grab a couple of tools. We're gonna change this ball real quick. Okay, ball is swapped out. It is way too hot at 6 o'clock in the morning already. Okay, we're getting ready to pull up and pick up this flatbed so we can load up the RZR, deliver it to its new owner. You have to excuse my windshield because it's nasty dirty. But here we are. Here's the trailer. Okay, we backed up and we got lined up on the very first try. Look at this. I mean, it's off to the side a little bit, but I can push it over. And who knows, maybe we didn't get it on the first try. I might have edited that part out. We're gonna drop this trailer down on there, hook it up, and head for Pismo.
There's the beach. Can you see it, everyone?
Check out this ultimate trailer jack or whatever it's called. It's pretty cool. Check it out. A little hard to do with one hand, but check it out. It's pretty cool. You just release this lever and slide it up. Get out of here. So I went around and kicked the tires. Forgot to take you guys with me. Got one wheel that looks like the wheel bearing's maybe a little bit loose. I don't think there's any way it's dry, the wheel bearing, because this thing was greased not long ago. And right after I greased them, we bought our toy hauler. So that trailer has very little miles on it. So we're gonna hope for the best. We're out of here. Head back to the house, load the RZR, stop by the storage, grab some of the trailer tools that we keep in the trailer with us, stuff that would be good to have on the road in the event of a breakdown, because you never know. It's a 300-mile round trip they're riding out on to deliver this RZR, so I want to have that stuff with us. We'll check back in once we're loading the RZR. So we're gonna bird poop.
Okay. What are we doing?
We are just rolling into Pismo.
Let's see. There's the beach. Can you see it, everyone? Oh, and there's the last time you'll see the RZR being towed behind this truck.
Yeah, the last time.
We are on our way to meet up with the new owner of the RZR. We've made this trip a lot of times with this car.
Yeah, lots of times.
Yeah. Okay. We're here. We're here to give the RZR to our new family, her forever home. Well, this is the last time he's driving the RZR off the trailer. Yeah. Here, that was our first And look at that. My car. Right here is where you put sad music in, okay? All right, guys.
Have luck. Good luck. Anymore.
Thank you. It was nice meeting you guys. Have fun, okay?
Thank you.
Well, there she goes. We gotta go jump this guy. Even though we were not going for a ride, we're still gonna rescue someone in Pismo. So there's the RZR. We're to her new home. The guys that we sold her to, Leo and Max, super cool dudes. And they were like, hey, just now he called me. He's in Walmart getting snacks. They're gonna ride Pismo today for the first time. They typically do Glamis and stuff. They have another RZR. Just got rid of an X3. So he just called me and he was like, hey, you guys have an X3. I have a brand new tire in the back of my truck. You guys can totally have it as a spare. Just hop back there and grab it. Awesome.